Hello and good day. Current vehicle is Kia Sorento. Currently we are going to replace its starting battery. We are going to install Varta. Backup battery is plugged in. This was the OEM installed battery. We are going to plug in Varta 12 volt 85 H. As you can see, battery is now plugged in. The cover is placed. Now the terminals will be secured. As you can see, terminals are now tightly screwed, both terminals. Now we will plug in the scanner to check all the previously fault codes that were generated, and we are going to scan them and clear them. Currently we are checking all the fault codes. This is Sorento 3.5 with V6 engine. As you can see, the red ones are the fault codes. After scanning is done 100%, we are going to clear them. You can visit Rajasthan, Pakistan for your Kia Sorento battery replacement.